Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve verify account on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve verify account on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox, and you can click here. Then in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Here we'll enter. Here we can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye and